As the VP of Partnerships, I had a fantastic time reconnecting with friends old and new at the Keelvar Connect conference. Sievo's partnership with Keelvar is truly a win-win, with Sievo excelling in cleaning, extracting, and analyzing enterprise spend data to uncover hidden savings opportunities. Keelvar then takes center stage, leverages automation to capture those very savings. The synergy between our two solutions was a hot topic at the conference, and it's super exciting to see how together Sievo and Keelvar are pushing the boundaries of AI in procurement and empowering businesses to achieve greater efficiencies. The thing that I've liked the most is that every 6 months when I come back to Keelvar Connect, I feel like Keelvar has grown by leaps and bounds every single time. The first time that I came here at the Chicago event, I think the bots were just getting introduced. Last time around, we had 20 different types of bots. And this time you can create bots by giving chat prompts. So that's just like one of the examples of how we're seeing more and more investments being made by our best-of-breed peers. And excited to see how we can keep on working together to keep on pushing the boundaries of what AI and procurement could deliver.